Feeding a 10-month-old baby is a special and joyful time. It is important to give healthy, fresh, and easy-to-digest meals. Here are some easy and healthy food ideas for your baby. Banana is soft, sweet, and easy to digest. Simply mash a ripe banana with a fork. You can add a little breast milk or formula to make it smoother and easier for your baby to eat. Make sure the banana is fully ripe with no hard pieces to avoid any choking risk. Apple puree is a healthy and gentle food for babies. Peel, core, and cut the apple into small pieces, then cook it until soft. Blend or mash it into a smooth puree. Make sure it is soft, lump-free, and slightly cooled before feeding your baby. Boil potatoes until soft and mash them well. Add a little milk to make it creamy. Make sure there are no lumps so your baby can swallow easily. Serve it warm, not hot, and always check the temperature before feeding. Carrot is a very nutritious vegetable for babies. Take a carrot, peel it, and cut it into small pieces, then boil until soft. Blend or mash the cooked carrot into a smooth puree. Make sure the texture is soft and lump-free before feeding your baby. It also keeps your baby active, healthy, and happy. Avocado is soft and full of healthy fats. Simply mash it and serve fresh. You can add a little milk to make it smoother and creamier. Make sure it is ripe and mashed well for easy eating. It makes your baby strong, healthy, and full of energy. Peel and chop a ripe pear. Steam or boil until soft and mash well. Pears are gentle on the stomach and naturally sweet. They are rich in fiber, which helps in smooth digestion for your baby. Serve it slightly warm and ensure it is smooth and lump-free for easy eating. Pumpkin helps your baby grow healthy and supports strong digestion. Cook pumpkin until soft and mash into a smooth texture. It is rich in vitamins and fiber, perfect for digestion. Pumpkin also supports healthy vision and boosts your baby's immunity. You can make pancakes using half a cup of mashed banana and half an egg. Mix it well with the help of a fork. Then, add 1 tablespoon of flour and mix again to make a smooth paste. Now, spread the paste on a heated frying pan and cover it with a lid. Cook on low to medium flame for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. These soft pancakes are easy to chew and provide energy for growth and play. You can also use a baby food maker to cook and blend fruits and vegetables quickly. It saves time and ensures a smooth, lump-free texture. Using it helps retain nutrients, making meals healthier and easier for your baby to digest. With love and care, mealtime can become a happy and healthy experience for both you and your baby.